Good morning children, class 10, we are discussing coordinate geometry and today I will explain you the derivation of a section formula. So you see XOY is a plane, let AB is a line segment where the coordinate A is x1, y1 and the coordinate of B is x2, y2 and P is a point which divide AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Understood what I told? XOY is a plane, AB is a line segment, the coordinate of A is x1, y1 and the coordinate of B is x2, y2. Let P be a point which divide AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Understood? Where the coordinate of P is suppose x, y. Means the coordinate of A x1 is given, the coordinate of B x2, y2 is given. We have to take a point at P, suppose x coordinate is x, y, which divide AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. We have to find what will be the coordinate of x and what is the coordinate of y. X and y we have to find. Understood all of you? So now what I have done, so from A, draw the perpendicular to x axis. That is, this is AR perpendicular. Similarly, P is a point because P divide in the ratio. So from P you draw the perpendicular to x axis S, and from B the coordinate of B is x2, y2. From B draw a perpendicular to x axis. These are the AR, PX, BT are the three perpendiculars. Understood? Again, from A draw the perpendicular to PS. This is the perpendicular PS. And from P, draw the perpendicular to BT. This is suppose BC. Up to this, all of you clear. Next is, you see OR. How much OR? OR is your, how much OR? OR is x1. This is OR is x1. This is x1. OR is x1. Understood? OS is equal to how much? OS, this is x, is equal to x. This is x. And then your OT, how much? OT, this is x2, this is x2. This is your x2. Understood? Now, what will be, I have written here, you see here, let AB is a line segment in the coordinate plane. Let A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 and P x, y divides AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Construction, drawn AR perpendicular to x-axis, AR perpendicular to x-axis, PS perpendicular to x-axis and BT perpendicular to x-axis. And AQ perpendicular to PS. This is AQ perpendicular to PS, PC perpendicular to BT. PC perpendicular to BT. Now, OR is equal to x1. This is OR. Because A coordinate is x1, y1, so this is the distance from the origin to A. Coordinate A on x-axis x1, and OS is equal to x and OT is equal to y2. I have written OR is equal to x1, OS is equal to x, OT is equal to x2. Therefore, RS is equal to how much? RS. You see what is RS? Now RS. RS will be OS minus OR. This minus this will become. So RS is equal to OS minus OR. So OS how much? x1. OS is equal to how much? X and minus OR. OR is equal to x1. So your RS is equal to x minus RS is equal to x minus x1. Now you see ASQ is a rectangle. This is a what? It is a rectangle. Why? This is 90, this is 90 and we have drawn this is perpendicular. This is 90. So if the three angles are equilateral, it is 90, 90, 90 each. Then the fourth angle also 90. So this is a rectangle. And you know it is a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Is it clear? So if RS is equal to x minus x1, so what is the opposite side of RS? AQ. So AQ is equal to also x minus x1. Understood? Because these two are the opposite sides of a rectangle. Again, OT is equal to how much? OT, x2. And OS is equal to how much? OS is equal to x. So ST will be how much? ST will be OT minus OS. I have written ST is equal to OT minus OS is equal to OT. OT is equal to how much? X2 minus OS how much? OS X. So this is ST is equal to X2 minus X. I have written here ST is equal to X2 minus X. So same process P S T C. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Yes or no? Because this is 90 degree, this is 90. We have drawn this perpendicular 90. So 90, 90, 90. So this angle also 90. So this is a rectangle. If in equilateral each angle is 90, then it is either a rectangle or a square. So, but in both the cases, rectangle or square, opposite sides are equal. So if ST is equal to X2 minus X, the PC is also X2 minus X. So we have got AQ X minus X1 and this is your PC is equal to X2 minus X. Now AR how much? AR means along the y axis. AR is equal to Y1. PS is equal to Y and BT is equal to Y2. I have written here. Similarly, AR is equal to Y1, PS is equal to Y and BT is equal to Y2. Now what will be your PQ? This PQ. Yeah, PQ is equal to how much? PQ is equal to how much? PQ is equal to PS total minus QS. PS minus QS is equal to PQ. So I have written PQ is equal to PS minus QS. Understood? So what is PS and QS? You see here PS. PS is equal to how much? PS is equal to Y because this coordinate is Y. So in place of a PS I have written Y minus QS. QS. This is QS, but this one and this one both are the same because opposite sides of a rectangle. So this is AR how much? AR is Y1. So this is also Y1. So which one Y1? QS also Y1. So PQ will be PS minus QS. PS minus QS equal to Y minus Y1. Understood? So PQ is equal to, this is PQ is equal to Y minus Y1. Similarly, BT is equal to Y2. BT is equal to Y2 total. BT is equal to Y2 and your CT is equal to how much? CT is equal to your PS because opposite sides are rectangle. So PS is equal to how much? PS equal to Y. So this is your Y. Up to this PS is Y. So BC will be how much? Now BT minus CT is equal to Y2 minus Y. So I written BC is equal to BT minus CT equal to Y2 minus Y. Okay. Now you see, understood all of you?